Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to yet another on-demand web scraping tutorial, and this time I got a web scraping help request from one of my subscribers. Unfortunately, I can't even pronounce his name, but this doesn't really matter that much. He actually did a very he gave me a very nice feedback regarding my web grabber Chrome extension, which is intended to grab the links from initially I was using that extension to grab the links to the images on the Pinterest site, and he was trying to make use of that extension in order to kind of scrape this sort of an images, but this is completely different story. So that sort of approach that he was trying to make use of won't really work here. So instead we need to go a completely different way, and because it's kind of too long to explain this within the email, so I would rather make this little video tutorial instead of spending hours of describing and typing that by text and things like that. So let me quickly define the task again. So here we get a link with a table of really kind of lots of job opportunities here. I'm not sure if actually some pagination available here. Well, I guess just to take this away slightly, I guess it's not. So, or hold on a sec, one page for, yeah, it seems like the only page here. Well, at least I wasn't asked to get data from somewhere else, so I will be getting the data barely from this kind of URL, and I will be using Requests and BeautifulSoup for simplicity. And also I will need to crawl through all this like links and see, this is the image. So if you just open this image in the new tab, so we need to extract this sort of URL basically, and just store this images to the current working directory, well maybe to the output folder, I don't know, so things like that. So that's exactly the task we're supposed to be doing right now. So yeah, it's the bare graphical data here, so we can't really extract any text, but still this might be quite pretty interesting. So if you're interested, let's actually start writing some code. So here in the current working directory I have a file called jobs.lk, and let me first provide a little header to describe what the script is doing. So this is the script to scrape images from jobs.lk, and this is it basically. So also by GoMonkeyKing, that's me for those of you who don't know yet. So I'm also known as GoMonkeyKing. Okay, and now we need to import some packages. So first we need to import requests, and then from BS4 import BeautifulSoup, and yeah, this is kind of it. So for those of you who don't have this packages installed, let me just show you what you're gonna do here. So if you just, yeah, so I just opened the terminal in the current working directory, and assuming that you have a pip Python package manager installed, when on Windows you would probably need simply to say like pip install and the package name, but I'm on Linux, so I need to use the sudo command, and also I'm specifying the pip3 because I have multiple pips installed on my system. So sudo pip3 install requests. Obviously I have all of these dependencies installed, but just to show you, so I have this requirement already satisfied. And then the same, you need to say pip install BS4 to install the BeautifulSoup, the version number 4, and also please install the LXML parser. So you would be able to use it within the BeautifulSoup itself. Okay, and the next thing to consider, we need to make initial HTTP request. Here we can simply say like create the response object that would be equal to requests.get, and here we need to specify the link we're supposed to be crawling through. Copy, and I don't know, probably we could also provide some headers, well, but probably that's not needed in this case. So also I would provide the base URL here, so URL would be equal to this like stuff. Okay, and we need to get this initial URL, and now we need to parse the response. I'm not going object-oriented approach as I usually do, just to simplify things as much as possible, so so to make sure that everybody who watching this would actually understand like what's going on in here. So now create a content variable that would be equal to BeautifulSoup, and using the response.text as the first argument, followed by the LXML parser. LXML parser as the second argument. And now we need actually, so what is this? So we don't need this one, we don't need to open the new browser there. I just want to, okay, probably let's just try to grab this URL, copy, and now close unnecessary window there. And well, first let's try to expect the element. Whoa, now this is going really really interesting. Okay, forget inspecting elements. I would rather have a look at the source code. So the very first thing to consider, I'm just wondering if this kind of link is available directly. Well, maybe not in this particular. Okay, so let's actually try to find the this kind of links. Okay, so this is it. So do we have something? Well, we can actually reference by we can filter by this sort of stuff. And this does go within the table, yeah, just like I thought. So well, we could have actually tried to grab all the table data tags. Okay, let's see first how many tables we have here. Okay, 3 tables. Position of the player. Yeah, this is the exact table we need. Okay. So those probably somewhat different tables. I'm just trying to pick up the easiest way, so I'm not yet sure how exactly to proceed, to be honest. Well, okay. I will now try a couple of approaches basically. So let's copy the link address here. So let's call this variable job links, job URLs, and content dot find all, and we're looking for a tag, right? We don't specify anything. So now let's try to use the list comprehension in order to filter this slightly a bit. So I would like to say, so URL URL page reference for URL in this list if, oops, nope, it's not exactly what I wanted to have, so okay, let's make use of the double quotes here, as far as we have a single quote within the JavaScript itself. Yeah, so if this kind of string is available in URL page reference and loop over job URLs, so for, let's say, for URL in job URLs, let's try to print URL, and let's run the script. So I say python 3 jobs.by. okay, name get is not defined. What have I done? Of course, URL here. Okay. Okay, so just wondering if I have the decent list of links. It takes too long to get a response. This is very strange. Is the URL okay? Non-type is not callable. Didn't misspell the find all method. I didn't deal with BeautifulSoup for quite a bit of time, so probably just forgot the names for the methods there. This is weird. Okay, well, at least now we have our links, so we can also try to split link by exactly the same copy. So we can try to split link by this argument and take the very last element out of there, and let's have a look what we got in return. I'm just wondering why it takes so long to get a response. Maybe I got a bad internet. I don't know, but this is really strange, to be honest. Here it goes instantly. This is really strange. Maybe you don't have a headers, then okay, just goes slower. I just want to have a look. Duplicate. Just want to have a look at robots.txt file. So is there any restrictions? You don't have robots.txt. Come on. You mean really? Come on. Robots.txt. It doesn't have it. Oh man. Yeah, this is a bit too much, but well, I did check that out. You saw this. Okay, so now let's try to make formulate the entire URL here. So Is this using HTTP? Not secure. Okay, so it's using HTTP rather than HTTPS. Okay, so HTTP, this. Okay. Man, why is this so slow? Just I don't know, I just try to provide a user agent, so at some point it uses some sort of a fancy fancy front-end framework using JSP templates. It's strange why it's so weird. Okay, so some cookies as well. Well, I don't know why. Well, I really doubt this would help, but still, let's provide the custom headers, and I just use my user agent over in here. So here I can say headers equals to headers. Okay, now we're using this user agent in particular. So, okay, did it work? Okay, so let's try to grab, but hold on a sec. What is this? Oh, so yeah, we need to get rid of the last two elements, of the last two characters, like this. And now we got a link, right? Okay, so here we got a picture, and this picture could be inspected already, so let's have a look. Okay, so here instead, so from 0 to -2. So just trying to get rid of the last two characters, basically. Oh, hold on a sec, what have I done? It's obviously not. So I guess, oh, this would be enough actually, but this did work for some reason. Okay, if I just get rid of all this stuff, will it work as well? Yeah, so instead of doing this, well, we could have go this like way. This is a bit strange. If it works like with this like URLs, I have no idea how this is possible to work actually. Okay, let me try to split this by JSP and take the first element and append JSP at the very end. Okay, let's try one last time. I hope this would be one last time. And as far as making some requests, I just want to have a look. So what kind of image? So yeah, let's better have a look at the source code. So image logo small. Nope, it's not what I guess it's not what we need. PNG application PNG. No, it's not what I need. Okay, this image seems reasonable as well. Okay, how many GPG images here available? Okay, ID remark, maybe this one. Okay, so let's try to pick up an image from the ID remark. Okay, and before that, okay, let me just try to check this new updated version of AD view. Yeah, for some reason it takes ages to get a response. I have no idea why this is happening. Hold on a sec. Why do we have exactly the same one? Let's try to pick up some different. So slow for some reason. Okay, this is different one. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we can crawl through these links and I'm just wondering, so probably first we'll populate the image URLs. So okay, so here we did what we did is that like extract job URLs and here we need to define the image URLs. So make HTTP request to job URL, right? So can we use the response object again? Well, I guess we can. So response would be equal to requests.get and URL and headers equals to headers, and now we need to parse response. So content in this case would it be equal to BeautifulSoup and same response.text XML parser. Okay, what else? And now extract image URL. So now probably yeah, as far as we can extract them, we can probably go for them just right over in here. So well, let's actually call this job response and job content. Just to make it more clear. Okay, and now image URL would be equal job content dot find, looking for a single element, and div id remark. So div with id equals to remark, and right, dot find image, and we're looking for a source attribute like this. And before doing anything, I just want to print image URL, right? And I want to break because I don't want to torture the site at the moment. So let's try to see what we got there. Wondering why this is so slow. Yeah, for some reason. And if it works, then we would be making another request. If the URL is workable, then we would be making another request to actually make a request to the image URL and then just store it. That's it. Okay, so this one, logo, is this a space? This is weird. Okay, so if I just copy this, and so what we got here, so we need to append the base URL, right? So yeah, perfect. Okay, so as far as we did append the base URL, okay, let's append this part. Well, this is not actually the base. Oh, this is the URL. It's not called the base URL. Let's call this initial URL, and let's call this one base URL. So the base URL would be equal like this. So now we can use base URL here and also over in here, right? So from now on, make HTTP request to the image URL. So this would be image response, that would be equal requests.get, and image URL in this case, and headers would be equal to headers. Also we need to extract the name for so well, can I use so this backend developer, there might be many backend developers, so yeah, I would rather use the images specific, so I can split by logo, right, and take the very last element. Okay, so and now we need actually to store image locally. So here I can say with open, and I will use image URL dot split. Let's split this by logo and take the very last element. So this would be the name for our image, and to make sure it's just fine, I just want to replace all the possible empty spaces with a, well, let's use the underscore here. So this would be our name for a file, and yeah, probably I would need to create the images folder. So here I can say like images slash and then all this stuff, and here we need to write bytes, otherwise it won't work as file. And here we need to say f.write, and now we're using the image response dot content like this, and this should work. This should download the very first image actually. So let's give it a try and see if it works actually. Well, the only thing that I don't really like is it goes really slow. I could have had, yeah, probably until it loads something. I would just add some debug and print statements. So let's say print http get request, maybe just this link, and the URL, okay, and then here, well, I can actually just verify this, say print debug info. So first one, so did we got anything? Unfortunately not. Okay, so here and then here, same URL, right? And here as well, but this would be image URL. And here, say write an image to, and okay, and the file name, okay. So something has probably gone wrong. What? No such file directory. Oh, this is unfortunate. He considers this stuff to be a folder. Do we have okay, so we need to slightly change this file name, so maybe not by the logo, but so is this always the same? Okay, let's open this in new tab as well. So this one, are they different? Yeah, they are different, but yeah, so let's actually split by this instead. Okay, by this string, and try one more time. File name. Okay, so it makes an HTTP GET request to the very initial URL. Oh, what's yeah, sorry, it's not exactly what I wanted. Obviously I needed to say like this to make use of string formatting actually. But okay, write an image. Did it write? I can't see the image to be written here. Well, at least it did this third. Okay, I'm just wondering, so maybe something wrong with this image. No, it is available, so what on earth is happening there? So you can't really images, file name. It didn't even write a file for some reason. Okay, so let me just I'm just wondering why he's not writing a file. He should have done that. Okay, trying to get an image. This is so weird. So it doesn't write anything. How is that possible? I just want to print the bytes that were taken from that URL. So if we have some bytes actually in return, so if the image content has been scraped actually, I'm really wondering. It should have been scraped actually, but I can't see. This is so weird. Wait, it doesn't create a file here. So did I misspell something actually? Yeah, we have the bytes, so what's kind of wrong here? Write an image, so the file name is just pretty nice. This should be just fine. Okay. Well, let's try some custom username. This is absolutely weird. I have no idea why it doesn't work. It does have to actually store this image. Okay. Very strange. Very strange. So Maybe I just can't see it. Oh, I probably can't see this within the browser. Hold on a sec, guys. So just hold on a sec. Let me just try to check that. There's jobs, right? Yeah, we got these images. Oh, yeah, obviously. So we did have these images. Perfect. Okay, and now this one as well. So, and the file name is also pretty nice. Okay, so just delete this. Okay, so the script is actually working. So I can actually say like /images. So this is Linux specific path definition, obviously, just to bear in mind. Okay, and now I just really want to get rid of this break statement as well. Save. And I guess this should work. This should work. So let's run the script again, and I just want to open this folder. So yeah, obviously the images are not being shown within the code editor's file panel because they are not editable, basically. Okay, guys, sorry, just I've done a weird nonsense here. It's not where we're writing the file, obviously. It's within the file name, of course. And file name like this. Okay, and let's try again. Okay. Okay, now we're starting getting our images. Okay, perfect. Okay, another one. Okay, guys, so let the script work, and I would go make some tea for my wife. So just you keep watching this. Okay, so something has gone wrong, I guess. File not found. Yeah, that's because. Okay, so let's try to actually split by logo and then just get rid of this slash. So logo like this, and also replace the slash, so it would be considering this as a subfolder with let's have another underscore, and I just want to, so are the images okay? Yeah, seems like. Okay, so just get rid of this in any case, and let's try to run this one more time. So now the file name should be just fine. Well, at least I hope so. So let's see. Okay, how the images appear in here. Okay. This is something new here. Okay, technical lit Python. Yeah, this is cool. Okay. Yeah, these are the job opportunities I would never consider for myself to take as a developer, because leading to a complete slavery basically compared to freelancing on your own. Okay, well, I guess now this should work actually. If it would fail to download some, we can always enclose this download part within the try accept, so not a big deal. It really gonna take long, I guess. You know, like before making this video, I've been researching regarding image scraping with Scrapy framework, but I didn't find an easy solution without using this media pipelines or stuff like that, like they like to use in Scrapy, which I personally hate really. So maybe one day I would have find some easy self-contained way of scraping images with the Scrapy. So if well, at least if Scrapy response does have the content, you know, guys, I can actually, well, let the script work, and I just want to make a little experiment. So I just try to invoke the Scrapy shell, and if I just try to fetch this like URL, so copy and paste. I'm wondering if this Scrapy response object does have a content attribute. It doesn't have that. Okay, so response. So this won't be isn't response content isn't text. Can I say response bytes? Nope. Okay, maybe just so is the script still is the script still working? It is. Okay. Scrapy request bytes content. I'm wondering if there is a way to access that somehow. If I find this, I would definitely make this particular tutorial using Python Scrapy. It would be way more faster actually. Maybe request bytes. No, it's a count of request. So how to access content bytes. Or Scrapy, maybe like raw response bytes. What if we try response body? I mean, yeah. Oh man, don't tell me this it has crashed. Come on. Non-type object is not subscriptable. So where did we fail? Okay, here. So we didn't find an image apparently. So which one? this one. Oh, this is unfortunate. Okay, let me just try to close unnecessary tabs there. So do we want to say, oh, so it's kind of text, right? But he asked me actually to deal only with the images. He didn't ask me to scrape the text, so I don't have to scrape the text, right? So that's actually what I was talking about. So we need to try, where is this? So job response, image URL. So up to here this shouldn't work, so let's add the try accept statement. How many images did we scrape? Well, quite a few, but it's not yet enough basically. Okay guys, okay, so well, I will just send this code to my subscriber, so hopefully after this try accept this will be working just fine, and I just don't really want the script stop over in here, obviously. So generally it works, it just did encounter some non-image data, textual data actually, so it did fail, but now he will be just kind of skipping those. So it's kind of it regarding the code, and I would also try to play around with the Scrapy request to find out if it's possible actually to extract the bare bytes from the Scrapy request, and if it is possible, I will definitely write this scraper using Python Scrapy, and in that case this would be way more faster. So until then, this is it for this video, so thanks for watching, until next time, and take care.